Bilt Card 2. Theyre review, what they're not telling you about Bilt. If you've been hearing about the updated Bilt Card and you want to know what the fine print looks like beyond the headline benefits, this review gets into the details that the marketing glosses over. The Bilt MasterCard has built a strong reputation as one of the most innovative credit cards in the rewards space, primarily because of its unique ability to earn points on rent payments without a transaction fee. The 2, though, update refreshes the card's benefit structure and doubles down on that core value proposition while adding new perks designed to make the card more competitive across everyday spending categories. The headline benefit remains the rent rewards feature. Earning points on what is typically the largest monthly expense for millions of Americans without paying a processing fee is a genuinely compelling offer that no other major card currently matches in the same way. For renters specifically, this is a real and meaningful advantage. The updated reward structure improves the earning rate across dining and travel, which brings Bilt more in line with premium travel cards that charge annual fees. The fact that Bilt has no annual fee makes those earning rates even more attractive on paper. Here is what they tend not to lead with. To earn points in any given month, you must make a minimum of 5 transactions on the card. Miss that threshold and your spending for that month earns nothing. For people who use the card selectively or forget to hit that requirement, an entire month of rent rewards disappears with no warning. The points transfer partners are strong and include several major airline and hotel programs, but the transfer ratios and redemption values vary considerably. Getting maximum value out of Bilt points requires engagement with the rewards ecosystem that casual users may not bother with. Customer service experiences have been mixed based on available reviews, and some users have flagged that the approval process is more selective than expected for a no annual fee card. Overall, the Bilt Card 2. Theyre is a genuinely strong product for the right user, but it rewards those who are intentional about their spending habits. Now let's look at the pros and cons. The Bilt Card 2. Theyre is one of the most innovative no annual fee credit cards available for renters, offering a reward structure that genuinely outperforms many fee-charging competitors when used correctly. The 5 transaction monthly minimum is a meaningful catch that casual users can easily overlook to their detriment. Points value depends heavily on how actively you engage with transfer partners and redemption options. For engaged and intentional users who pay their balance in full each month, Bilt is a genuinely excellent card that delivers on most of its promises.